Here's the Gigi Chronicles. Stardate September 29th. We're going to see if Gigi will do her special trick for us. Do you think you can do it? Can you do it? Let's see. Let's prepare. There she is, laying on her mat. You're not going to comply? You're not going to show us your special trick? What you doing? What you doing, baby girl? Ooh, extreme close-up. Hey, you. What you doing? You're too interested in everything else to do your trick, huh? Are you watching that TV? Oh, it's raining outside now, huh? Can you hear the rain? Really? Really? Okay. Oh, I think she might be doing it. There she goes. Ta-da! What a fast roller, baby. Good job. Good job. You did it. How do you feel about that? Huh? You did a good job. Good girl. We'll sign off now with that burp.